Hey life fam, hello. How are you guys doing? Oh my god, it's been a while. Okay, it's been a while. I actually picked up my camera to like vlog, like I'm doing right now. I do vlog, maybe parties. Yeah, I have some party vlogs that are coming up. Okay, wait on it. Wait on it. So guys, let me first of all greet everybody, all my share ladies in the house, all the share men. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for always checking on your girl. So today I'm going to be doing the CC Yemi 1500 challenge. Hey, 1500 naira challenge, in case you did not hear the naira in it. So I saw I've been seeing this challenge, like people have been doing it, even people from other countries have been doing it, not only people in Nigeria. Yeah, so you just have to convert the money to your currency that you were using. So I converted the money to euros, and it's like about 3 euros and 30, about 30 or 31 cents. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to cook a proper meal for that amount. Like, that's the challenge in it, okay? So the challenge is for you to be able to cook a proper meal for 3 euros and 30 cents. So guys, I'm in for it. I love challenge and I love Sisi Yemi. So in case you guys don't know who Sisi Yemi is, Sisi Yemi is a food and lifestyle vlogger. She lives in Lagos State, Nigeria. Oh my god, that lady, she is a vibe. If you don't know her, what are you waiting for? As in, who doesn't know Sisi Yemi? Yeah, I know there are people that will not know her because I actually discovered her around the Banky and Adesuwa's wedding. Yeah, I've been hearing Sisi Yemi, but I was not really subscribed to her then. I was not watching her videos. But when she made a live stream for Adesuwa's and Banky's wedding, I was watching it. Even then, I also did not subscribe to her. I don't know why did I? There was a day I was so when I was watching that video, a video just popped up. As in, after that video, I was like, wow, I know this face. This is the same lady that was doing the live stream on Adeswa's and Banky's wedding. So that was when I actually subscribed to her, and ever since I've been watching her. I like her vibe. I like her kids too. Her family is beautiful. So guys, I don't want to be talking too much. So now we're going to be going out to get some stuff for our video. I don't even know what I'm going to be preparing. I don't have an idea, okay? Anything I think about, I'm like, can 3 euro buy this? Can 3 euro cook this? So I guess when I get to the shop, I will know what 3 euros can buy and what it can buy. So guys, let's go and do some shopping. Okay. Lady, oh my god. Hello guys, yeah, we just arrived at the shop. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to go inside now. This is about 2 days later, so I couldn't do the shopping on Saturday. So today is Monday, because Saturday it was raining. So guys, let me show you guys where we are now. Yeah, we are at Godfrey, because this is the only place I can pick stuff, because if I go to other supermarkets, they sell in bulk. Like here I can pick something. So okay, so we are going. So guys, I don't know what we are going to be buying. I don't even have any idea of what I'm going to be cooking. I have to leave before they come and ask me if I forgot something there. Because the way I was turning up and down looking for what to buy. So guys, I'm going home now. I'll show you guys what I bought. Okay, I have tickets right here. So I'll show you guys. So today we are going to be making Irish potato porridge. Hey, to see me make porridge, me too, I'm going to be making porridge, even though I only use a plantain porridge. Yeah, I don't want plantain porridge. I like plantain porridge with beans. I don't like it without beans. So I have Irish potato here. So this Irish potato costs, no, this is a wrong ticket because I have two tickets right here. So this Irish potato costs €1.19. Okay. So over here I have my bell pepper. Yeah, it's kind of big though. So this bell pepper costs 75 cents. So I have my onion. This onion is 27 cents. So I have my pepper. So this pepper costs where is it? Pepper. Where is it? Okay, 29 cents. So what else? So I bought this you know now, Sisi Yemi had pepper pomo in our home, and that pepper pomo was doing me torture in my body. Like I wanted that too, but you know, with €3 you cannot even go to African shop to be like, yeah, I'm going to buy pomo. At least you're going to buy it for even more than that €3. If you see for that price, maybe it's just a little portion of it. So I bought this gizzard, which is 188, because we are not going to calculate this gizzard with it, because if we calculate this gizzard, I think it will be more than maybe €3 plus, or about €4. So but we are going to be eating, we can't eat without meat now, we can't eat without meat, so that's it. So I bought this tomato. Yeah, when I went to the shop the other time, I didn't buy tomatoes. I wanted to know the price of everything first before I buy my tomatoes. But after calculating, I found out that I still have about 40 cents or even more left. So I bought this tomato, which is about, oh my god, I'm tearing my ticket, which is about 31 cents. 31 cents. Okay, so literally everything I have here is around €3 and maybe 31, or I don't know, €3 and 32 cents. Yeah, I think so. So now we are going to start cooking. Let's cook, let's cook, let's cook, let's cook. I'm forgetting something. I bought spinach. I bought this spinach yesterday too. That's why I put it in the fridge. I wanted to make this food yesterday, but when my daughter came back from school, she actually had potatoes at school. There was no point making potatoes for dinner anymore, so now I'm going to be making it today. So that spinach was about, spinach, we're right, 42 cents. Yeah, I had to go to a shop where things are like affordable. Yesterday I did a little travel. Look at what CCME put me through. I have to travel a little just for me to find things that are affordable, because in France, especially after this pandemic, things are not cheap. Things are not cheap, guys. Yeah, this is our ingredients. This is our potatoes, our spinach, our tomatoes, our bell pepper, our pepper and our onions, and also the gizzard. Okay, so I'm going to start cooking now. So I'm going to start by peeling my potatoes. Look at this delicious goodness. Look what we have remaining. We still have the remaining, but at least this will be enough for my son and my daughter. Yeah, my hubby is not around, so it will be enough. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.